Hey everybody, this is Stephen Kowalczyk, the cocktail chef, and I'm going to show you how to turn these into curly twists. Stay tuned. Okay, so how do I turn this into a curly twist? I'm going to show you 3 different ways that are all going to be highly effective and something you can do on your own. So, number 1, we're going to cut 1/4-inch slices out of our lemon. And try to make them nice and even. You want to definitely work on the presentation of your curls, because if you cut them crooked, they look odd. So here we are. We've got some 1/4-inch lemon slices. One way to do a curly twist: grab one of the threads in the fibers of the flesh and just rip out the center. All right. That's number 1. Cut it off, curl it up, and tighten it like you would a spring. Nice and tight, and hold it there for a few moments so you can see that. I'm holding it, then I'm going to let it out. And there's curly twist number 1. Curly twist number 2 is a little bit different. Sometimes you can't get the center out very easily. So we're actually going to use a sharp knife, and I'm going to cut into the white flesh, the pith, which makes it easy to slice around. And really easy to remove the center. Oh, excuse me. There we go. All right, so, and you notice there's a few extra pieces on there. So that way isn't as clean, but it still gets the job done. So we do it nice and tight. Curly twist number 2. Curly twist number 3 is going to be cut off the front and back end, the head and the tail, if you will. You take a spoon and you dig the spoon down behind the flesh. Now, this way is not as easy. Some people feel that it is, but it takes a little bit extra work, and it's sometimes a challenge. But if you get it out, then you have the center, and now you have the skin. We're actually going to cut that. And now I'm going to curl it up and roll it up really, really tight. And even it out, okay? So once I've done that, I go curly twist, curly twist, curly twist. Whoop. Sometimes you gotta watch it shifting. And sometimes it doesn't want to cooperate, so you have to use different methods on trying to get that last curl out of the way. And there you go. And we have 5 curly twists. So there you are, 3 ways to make the lemon curls that you need for the perfect party.